this is Nicole Norman. I'm from the home-based Peddler. I would like to show you my version of the shutter card, Gatefold shutter card, and my tutorial was from Franz Martin. She had the A2 size, that's why I followed her, her tutorial. So you can see here to start with, we have pyramidal. It's hot off the press paper tole, and it comes and you have to put the 3D foam tape under, so it makes like a really nice piece. I have my belly band here to hold it together. The paper is also from hot off the press. It's called Geomatrix. It's been retired, I think. It's been a while that I had it. And so this is my gatefold, and when you open it up, whoops, sorry. When you open it up, you have it like this. And this is the shutter, so it closes, and then it opens up back again. I think the only difference I had with her tutorial and my card is I put some paper all around. I put some inside too at the back, all around here. So I put the paper to match everything, and it all comes from the same pack. I hope you like it. Don't forget to press the like button, and thank you for watching.